automated...
The cluster attachment was seamless.
The herd metrics look promising, Mateo. The new system is efficient.
They are thriving, Doctor.
The automated feeders have
We have an anomaly on panel 4. The sonin blood pressure is spiking.
Confirmed. Adjusting environmental controls now.
The automated system is working flawlessly.
The data confirm a 99% efficiency rate, Doctor.
Looks like a healthy start. Vitals holding steady, Chloe.
Yes, Doctor. All parameters are optimal. Trough secured, Mateo.
Solid as a rock now.
As you can see, the thermal signatures are consistent across the group, indicating low stress levels and good health.
The automated transition is flawless tonight.
And the panel utilization metrics remain high.
Quality control is stable across all sectors.
The cluster attachment was seamless. The vacuum pressure looks ideal, Chloe.
Agreed, Doctor. The goat's vitals are stable.
The integration of the new system has significantly improved our workflow and the health of the herd.
Moving this gate here improves the flow.
But the feeding station should be centralized, like this.
Yes, that optimizes access for the younger goats.
Here at the farm, the goats line up patiently for their turn on the automated brushes, a clear sign of contentment.
Are the labeling error rates holding steady?
Yes, Dr. Sharma. The new sensor array brought it down to 0% this hour.
This diagram illustrates the core of our ecological efforts. The closed-loop system allows us to recover
These markers indicate a direct correlation with increased productivity and resilience in the Boer breed.
so the genetic improvements are stable across generations.
That's
yes?
what the